Sevcik once again is tricking the player. Maybe he's not tricking, but he's changing things around a little bit. The first section and the final section, although they feel very much the same, they're really not. So don't think you need to play them exactly the same way. They're not. Look in the instruction, look through the index, you'll know what I mean. It's not the same. First of all, the contrast of dynamics here really should be a big, giveaway of what he is up to. And you can see that it's not exactly the same. So hopefully you'll see what I mean. So really be careful here with the rhythm. It's kind of has this, kind of like a Siciliana type of motion to it. Like it needs to feel like a dance. So this whole piece, it should dance, as you're playing this. It should. If it doesn't dance, well, then you might not be doing something right. So maybe it's time to rethink how are you approaching this and what can you do different to maybe improve its danceability, so to speak. Yeah, this is a really interesting little piece, and you will see interesting similarities in many different orchestral works that will definitely come your way. So be as careful as you can be studying this, and as thorough as possible. It's worth it, worth your time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, please visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.